Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Soundcore Q20i with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top and go to settings, or you can go to control panel, Bluetooth and then go to settings. After that, press and hold power button to turn on your headphones. If it's your first connect, it enters the prank mode automatically, but if you don't want to enter prank mode, just press 2 times at this power button. 1, 2, here we go, then click connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video, it's really important to us. See you later!